What's up, YouTube? This is Cursed Charizard, and we're going to be making a shotgun today out of paper. So you may have seen my video about these pistols. So if you've seen this video, comment, subscribe, or like, and we're going to be making a shotgun. I haven't made it yet because I've thought of it well though, so it's going to go good. So what we're going to need is scissors, tape, and so we're going to get started here. So yet again, I suggest construction paper, and I suggest construction paper holds better, and all that. So we'll just get this construction paper going over here. Technical difficulties. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, so we're just going to use these colors. Alright, so I'm back and we're going to do our shotgun. Sorry, we've already gone in 1 minute. Construction paper. I've got 3 colors, which are white, blue, and yellow. I know it doesn't seem like a good combination, but alright. So we're going to start with our gun right now, and so we need scissors, tape, and so first we're going to make our first barrel. And go like this. Roll it up for however big you want it. I did just small because for small bullets, small reasons. So this video is gonna be long. So first we have our first barrel. Just kind of like roll it up, into a good size. I just got home from school literally, and decided to check my YouTube, make new videos, because I was thinking of a shotgun out of paper all day. And so right now we're going to tape up both ends right now. Just like that. Perfect. This one is going to be a blow one again. I still haven't figured out how to make a trigger one with the trigger. So if you want better results, tape that the middle up too for better results. If you want, you could just tape the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that. It's just going to waste time and tape. Alright, so here we have our first barrel. I'm doing my barrels yellow and blue. And so we got one barrel right here. Now we're going to make the second barrel. Try to make it the same size as your yellow one. And then you can measure it, Still, I haven't made this yet. So what I was worried about when I was thinking of it is how am I going to do the barrels the same size? So I thought about that for a couple of minutes at school, or no, when I came home. And so I'm just gonna do this real quick. Just tighten it up around your thumb. This will take a while. Okay, so there's the second barrel. Measuring. Perfect. Now tape it up right here. Go. No. You don't want to go there. That's bad. No, stop unwrapping on me. A little bit. Just a little bit. Just listen to me. Alright, so we have that part. Now I need the second end of the barrel. And I hope you find that recent video helpful. And once again, in the middle. Alright, so there we have our two barrels. And yeah, there's our two barrels right there. And now here comes part 2.